Hello everyone. Keeping your iPhone up to date is crucial for both security and to get all the latest features. It's an easy process, but there are a few things you need to know to do it right. In this video, we'll show you how to update your phone wirelessly. Before you start, there are 3 things you should always do first. Back up your device so you don't lose any important information. Plug your iPhone into power. Connect to the internet, preferably via Wi-Fi. Once you have those 3 things covered, let's get started. The easiest way to update is directly on your iPhone. You might get a notification that an update is available, or you might see a small red badge on your settings app. To check for an update manually, go to Settings, General, and then Software Update. If you enable automatic updates, your iPhone will actually handle this for you. It will download and install new iOS versions overnight while it's charging and connected to the Wi-Fi. But you can always update manually if you prefer. Sometimes you might even have a choice between 2 updates. You can either stay on your current iOS version and get important security updates, or upgrade to the very latest version. To install the update, tap Update Tonight. You enter your passcode and agree to the terms and conditions, and your iPhone will begin the update process. Restart and you'll be all set. Now you're ready to enjoy all the latest features and security enhancements on your iPhone. Stop. Keep your information secure by using a VPN on your iPhone. Check out our full guide in this video.